Okay, this is Dad getting shot. Let's take shotgun.
Not in the head.
I'm not. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna take one more practice. Wait. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
I'm ready.
Huh?
I'm ready. Get in there.
Not hard.
I can't control that.
Oh, not the head, Connor. That one hurt. That one hurt.
Dad, come up here. The video camera would like to see what happened.
Oh, one of my arms gave me a horrible bruise.
A few more?
Huh?
A few more?
Okay,
My
let's.
back, is it covered?
No, there's nothing.
Look at that.
Oh, let me see.
Definitely, that one gave me a bad bruise.
There's none on your back.
Oh, but it tagged me.
Huh. That was good.
Did you get it?